वेलकम एट RTS ई गुरु तो अॼु जेको आहे पाण यूनिट 5 पढ़ंदासीं। पंजो यूनिट पढ़ंदासीं यूनिट 5 में जेको आहे शुरू करण खां पहिरीं हिकिड़ी एक्सरसाइज़ आहे एक्सरसाइज़ ए जेको तव्हां स्क्रीन ते ॾिसी सघो था। इहो पाण सॉल्व कंदासीं। व्हाट्स योर नेम। सो इन एक्सरसाइज़ खे पाण सॉल्व कंदासीं। क्रॉस मैच कंदासीं हिन जो। व्हाट्स योर नेम। करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, टॉम। Whose book is this? It's her book. Would you like to come to the party? Yes, I would love to come. Thank you. Thank you जो सही जवाब छा थींदो? Thank you ही थींदो। ठीक है। Thank you जो सही जवाब छा थींदो? किथां वियो thank you? Here it is. Thank you जो thank you ही थींदो। Where is my book? Here it is. This is my brother Kim. Good to meet you. सही आहे। त ईअं जेको पाण एक्सरसाइज बी बि सॉल्व कंदासीं जेको अॻियां आहे। एक्सरसाइज बी बि साॻे नमूने पाण कंदासीं जीअं एक्सरसाइज ए कईसीं। आर यू जिम बेंसन? यस आई एम। इज योर नेम जिम बेंसन? यस इट इज। सी। These are your books, aren't they? Yes, they are. He is your father, isn't he? Yes, he is. A. Is she your sister? Isn't she? Yes, she is. Second one exercise C बिकनाजी. He runs fast, doesn't he? Yes, he does. सही आंसर छा थींदो इन जो? A थींदो। Yes, he does. This camera does not work, does it? No, it does not. These shoes don't fit, don't they? No, they don't. You look like your brother, don't you? Yes, I do. So these are the answer. This is the short revision of Unit 1, 2 and 3. Let's learn Unit 5. Revision and extension. This come isn't mine, his isn't it? Picture 1. Is this your wallet? No, it's mine. No, it's not mine. Negative aita negative kanasi. No, it's not mine. Picture 2. It's his wallet. Okay, thanks. Picture 3. Come in. This is your wallet, isn't it? No, it's not. It isn't. Picture 5. It's my wallet. Thank you. Picture 6. Person has taken the wallet. Unit 5. Yours, your, it's, mine, it is, whose, this. Tom, is this your pen? No, it's his pen. Is this your pen? Isn't it? No, it's not. Picture 4. Whose pen is this? Picture 5. It's mine. It's my pen. Both are the answers. Picture 6. Okay. Revision and extension. It is your like to meet my, isn't it? It's cold, isn't it? It's cold, isn't it? My name is Peggy. Good to meet you. My name is Barbara. It's cold, isn't it? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Okay, it's up to you. Picture 3. What's your name? Tom. My name is Tom. Would you like to sit here? Yes, please. Unit 5. Yes, about, can't, I am, good, haven't. Hello. Hi, are you Penny? Aren't you? Yes, I am. Picture 3. Have you met Penny? No, I have not met you. No, I haven't. No, I isn't. Nice to meet you. I'm Anne. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Yes, it is. Let's have a lunch here. Sorry, I sit here. Picture 6. How about going to a movie? Yes, okay. Okay. Picture 1. Let's go to a restaurant. Okay. Let's restaurant. Okay. uh, पिक्चर टू में तव्हांखे छा करिणो आहे पिक्चर टू में सेंटेंस हिते ॾिना पिया आहिनि अॻिते पोइते तव्हांखे सही करिणा आहिनि कम लाइक यू वुड टू लंच वुड यू लाइक टू कम वुड यू लाइक टू कम लंच आई एम सॉरी आई कांट आई एम अफ्रेड huh sorry I can't I'm afraid sorry I can't I'm afraid picture 3 meet neighbor you have you met my neighbor no I haven't picture 4 meet to Jan like I would you make a sentence would you like to meet Jan meet you to good correct sentence is good to meet you now you correct sentence according to picture 5 here are the incorrect sentence okay let me do correct sentence how about to going how about going to a movie like the previous sentence let's make sentence with this that would be great picture 6 your turn let me make sentence you are going to meet aren't you no I'm not you are going to the meeting aren't you huh correct sentence is you are going to the meeting aren't you no I'm not second sentence is no I'm not it's a wonderful exercise picture 1 book it's interesting and isn't it this it is an interesting book isn't it yes it is make sentence according to picture 2 good this looks laptop doesn't it this laptop doesn't look this laptop doesn't look good is this laptop looks good doesn't it yes does it yes it does yes it does correct sentences yes it does now picture 3 pen my that's isn't it let's make current let's make it correct that's my pen isn't it no it's not it's correct is no it's not picture 4 are keys your these aren't they these are your keys aren't they yes they are now you make sentence with picture 5 here work you don't you work here don't you no I don't picture 6 concern like you don't you do you like concern don't you Yes, I do. Unit 5 answers. Okay, you can check. Book, watch, camera, these are the answers. You can check with your exercises. Okay. So unit 5 has ended. We will learn unit 6 in next video. See you soon. Goodbye.